All right, all right, all right. What's happening, everybody? What's happening? What's happening? We are here on Paid to Drive. Hope you guys are having a good one. I'm having an all right one. So, uh, I had some time because I went to go pick up at that Indian restaurant that usually takes forever. And shockingly, today they didn't take so long. So that was good. But while I was waiting, I decided to call my accountant because a lot of you guys have been wondering about tax stuff related to what we do here. So keep in mind that I live in New York, and every state, I'm guessing, could be different. So everything I am saying may not necessarily reflect you personally, but it's a pretty good guideline. So there was a few things that I just wanted to go over with you guys. Yes, I am, Oscar. I am live at 5. So if you guys are, if you're a delivery driver with GrubHub, UberEATS, Postmates, DoorDash, 50 thumbs up. I'd appreciate it if you enjoy what I do. Okay, so you guys ready for some tax information? Here we go. All of us are required to pay self-employment tax, which is 15% of your general earnings. Okay, so keep that in mind. Then you have the federal and state, which is, I believe, an additional 15%. So 30% is what we owe to the government before deductions. Okay, that's what has to happen. So if you make $1,000 in a month, you owe $300 and you get to net $700. That's how it goes. I've heard from people it was 20%, 30%, 33%, 35%, but she told me it's 30%. Oscar, I don't know if you can hear me, but it's working for me. It looks like everybody here can hear me and see me. I don't know why Oscar's saying that he can't see it. You guys can see me, right? Comment 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1 if you can hear me and see me. I don't know why Oscar's having such a hard time, but that's the deal, guys. So keep that in mind. If you make $3,000 in a month, you have to put away $900 of that for your taxes. That's hefty. It really is. I got to say, it's a lot more than I thought it would be. But there is hope. If you guys have been tracking your mileage from the time you start driving to your first delivery to the time you're done with your last delivery and then turn it off, the mileage pay could really, really help out how much you owe in taxes. Now, I don't know this for sure, but I've heard in some instances, even being a self-employed contractor, as we all are, 1099s, you could even make some money back, you know? So that is something to keep in mind, that you could actually get money back from being a delivery driver if you have enough tax deductions. And especially like someone like me, I work every single day of the week because I'm full-time doing this. And it looks like, based on an average, I should be okay when tax time comes. Also, another thing is supposedly we're supposed to be paying quarterly payments. I mean, I've heard of it, but I just didn't do it. So I may have to pay a penalty for that at the end of the year. I asked her about it, what it could be. She goes, I don't really know yet because I haven't seen your paperwork yet, when you receive your tax forms from UberEATS and GrubHub. So I'm not sure about the penalties. If I get one, I'll let you guys know, and I'll let you know roughly like how much it was and how I handled it and all that stuff. But I will give you this tip. While you guys are working during your blocks, or if you're just online or whatever. Thank you, Oscar. Cool. While you're working, okay, if you guys stop for coffee, if you stop for lunch or dinner and you're eating or whatever you purchase for food, do they let you go for dropping blocks? Not necessarily, no. But what else was I going to say? If you guys, like I said, if you guys get coffee, food, drinks, whatever, while you're working, you can write those off. There's a percentage of that. And you can, if you use the Stride, STRIDE, the Stride app to track your mileage, your deductions like that. If you pay tolls, if you pay parking, that kind of stuff, you can put that all in the app and those all count as deductions. Yeah, no problem, Libby. You're good. So these are just a few of the things that I wanted to share with you guys. So keep in mind, 30% you should really be trying to put away, or if you can't put it all away, put at least half of it away. Put it in a savings account, put it in a separate account that you don't touch. Yeah, local meals. Yes, Oscar. So I asked, that's right, because we spoke about the other day. Yes, she said local meals as well. It doesn't have to be like a business decision, because if you think about it, you're a worker, you need food to survive, and you need water to survive. So if you're purchasing that during your time working, it would make sense. I was super slow. Contribution was 11, so right before the end of the block, I get a $4. I reject it and go offline. Return on my Uber Eats. First orders McDonald's. Okay. Is it just me, or can I duck for lunch for my kids if they're with me? That's a gray area. That's actually, wow, that's amazing. Tick Revo, $26 cash tip. Monica, that's a really good question. I guess you could flub it. Yeah, like, meaning, I guess you could just put that in there. Evidently, Oscar, I asked her, and she's been an accountant for 25 years, so I guess she knows what she's doing at this point. I guess I could use her advice. And she's a family friend of ours, so she wouldn't lie to me like that. What's up, everybody? So I just wanted to share those few things with you. As tax time continues, I will continue to update you guys on everything that I find out. Deduction, like I said, if you download the Stride app, it'll show you all the deductions that you can get, but mileage is definitely going to be the most important one. And most times your mileage is actually what is, how do I put this? Your mileage sometimes outweighs all of your deductions. You can deduct gas, you can deduct your car insurance. 20 McNuggets and a $26 tip. I've seen crazier things, Tick Revo. That just goes on the list of crazy tips, But yeah, guys, that's pretty much anything involved with you working will count as a deduction. Don't go. I enjoy your channel. Well, I enjoy you guys. I'll hang around for another few more minutes and answer questions and stuff. But keep in mind, oil changes, any maintenance on your car, gas, tolls, tickets, parking tickets, anything like that. No, you didn't interrupt me, Tick Revo. That's good, man. I'm glad you're having a good day. But yeah, guys, download the Stride app. It'll have everything in there for you. So with that being the case, that's that. What's the best way to go about double orders on Uber Eats? You got to give me a little more information than that. Yes, Oscar, I agree. If you have double orders, you got to go to, what do you call it? Just use common sense. Do whatever's closest to you. You know what I mean? But I think in Uber Eats, I think you have to do them in the order that they give you. But yeah, guys, so what I'm going to do is, as I actually receive my tax forms and stuff, I'll make more tax-related videos. So whatever I find out, you guys will find out. And if you decide to do your taxes through like TurboTax or something, I've never done my own taxes because I don't trust myself, because I'm an idiot with math. And chances are I wouldn't be paying enough, and then the IRS would come and arrest me or something, one day. So I can leave the Stride app for tracking my miles until my shift is up. Yes, Jesse. Absolutely. From the second you get into your car, and receive your first order, they're never going to know, when your first order is, but let's say you get in your car and you drive to your spot that you like to wait in. If you have a spot that you wait in, like a parking lot or something that's right in the middle of where all the action is, where all the orders come in, turn your Stride app on right from the point you get into the car. Oscar just shared a good link to download. From the point you get in your car, you turn it on, say tracking miles. And then from the time you finish your last delivery, you turn it off, and there you go. You could use Hum from Verizon. Sure, you can do that. What's up, Capital City Driver? I think it's the first time I've seen you leave a comment. But like I said, I keep repeating myself, but as I find out more information on taxes, everything I find out, I will make videos and I will tell you guys about it. Because I know everyone's been asking me about tax-related stuff, and I want to make sure that I'm getting the right information out to you guys, because taxes can be scary, man. It really is. So keep that in mind. 30%. That's the number. 30. Remember 30%. If you make $1,000 a week, You really should be putting $300 away every week, and you keep $700. Just thank you, Libby. I appreciate it. I just write down all down. I just write it all down from my odometer and track it in a very bug Google Doc. Yeah, you could do that. Yeah, me too, Tick Revo. Not if you have kids or a house and stuff. Yeah, if you have, that's right. That's another thing, Martin. If you have a family, I don't think you owe as much. I think you get another tax break. Every time I get paid, I'm always taking away 15%. That's fine. I mean, again, with the deductions, you may not owe that 30% because the deductions will help eat up that 30% that you're putting aside. Like, honestly, 2017, I couldn't really put anything away. I literally went paycheck to paycheck, and whatever I made, if I made $500, I had to put $500 to my bills, and I couldn't put away the 30%. So that puts me in a bad situation. And it's actually very, very hard to save when you have a lot of bills, man. Like I have to pay like $2,800 worth of bills every month. Now, for some people, that's nothing, and for some people, that's a lot. You know, a lot of it is my own fault, but my rent alone is $1,000, and I split that with my girlfriend. The key is to always try to reduce your taxable income. How so, Oscar? How would you mean that? Your taxable income? Well, reducing it by deductions, or how else would you reduce it, you know? I think I covered the majority of what I needed to cover. But, yeah, by tracking expenses. Yeah, absolutely. Try and write off as much as you can. The beautiful spring weather in Chicago ruins delivery business, but I'm okay with it. Yeah, I hear you on that. But anyway, guys, I'm going to wrap this up right here. If you guys want to see more of the stuff I put out, definitely go and subscribe to my PTD Vlogs daily vlog channel and my Pete Uploads Too Much, my bonus channel. If you guys are subscribed to those two channels, comment 111. If you're not subscribed to those channels yet, and you're kind of on the fence about it, comment 222. I'm just trying to get an idea. Most of you guys are, but that's pretty much it. So that's that for now. Where's the seltzer water? I gotta get more of that. Leave a thumbs up if you guys could. Let's see if we can get 50 likes or more. Please share my videos as much as possible. Thank you, Mr. Liano. I appreciate it. And be sure to follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. That's the best way to reach me if you guys ever have any questions when I'm offline here. So, anyways, folks, I'm going to run in and get this Buffalo Wild Wings order. I'm always at Buffalo Wild Wings when I talk with you guys. I might be on later. Maybe we'll do a live stream. I don't know. But keep getting that money. Keep getting that honey. Keep hustling and bustling. And I'll see you guys next time here on Paid to Drive. Safe travels, everybody. Go get that money and that honey. Peace.